Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got this 5-pack Hot Wheels Nightburnerz pack. So I haven't done a video like this in a while, so just wanted to make one like this. So we got this cool 5-pack right here. It's got a 1968 Corvette, and it's got a 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. But yeah, it's got all these cool cars. So let's just open it already, because I just want to open it. Oh, let's pop it open. Oh, that's okay. It doesn't matter. Yeah, we don't need it. It's okay. Just, shut up. Oh, this is the wrong side. We did the wrong side, guys. So let's. There. Wrong side, guys. I think we're not supposed to open from the front. We're open to the side. So I don't I don't care. I just want the cars. Gimme garbage. Oh wait, actually, look, guys. This is actually kind of cool. Look, it just kind of opens up like that. New Hot Wheels girls. No, we don't need it. Anyways, let's just get this junk out of here. But the only thing I need is the cars. First car we got. It's called the Gas Monkey 1960. No, Gas Monkey Garage 1968 Corvette. Take a look at that. Whoa, look at this Corvette. It's really cool. Really like it. Let's put it on here. So if we take a look at this Corvette, it's got an interesting body shape. I love that really just like dusty gray. And the engine is just like really big. It's bigger than I expected coming out of the package. It's also got these like four side mufflers that are coming out. It just makes this thing look like a beast. I love it. Also love those gray caps around it. Makes the car look very interesting. Love that gray shading though. Pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. So, pretty cool. Put them right here. This car we got is a 1970 Ford Escort RS. So yeah, here it is. It's a pretty cool car. Look at that Datsun. Ooh, it's put on. So this car's got a really nice body shape. It kind of like, it just looks like a cartoon kind of car. It's got like this orange, dark red, and just like, it's also got a stripe that is like around like the front of the car. It has like and the number 3 on it. And also says number 3 on the side. And it's got these pretty cool rims which these are my favorite rims. It's got this nice shiny golden orange. And this very nice dark blue kind of. Like a crystal blue. And the underside of it is kind of like shiny. It's pretty cool. I can't see myself though. Pretty cool car. It's also got these front headlights too on the front. This car we got is probably one of my favorite cars from this set. I really love it. This is the 1971 Datsun wagon. So the Datsun wagon has a pretty interesting design. It's got this kind of skin tone kind of color, like beige. It's also got this nice brown line that's going down. And it has some Japanese writing on it with some nice roses on it. It's got that tree and just has a bunch of like, roses on it. It's got blue roses, red, pink roses. It's also got a nice kind of brown leather interior, and the body shape of this car is kind of funny. I do love the car though with these little headlights and the art too. Pretty beautiful car. Wow. Smells like a sandwich. Why does it smell like a sandwich? Like, look. As soon as I smell it, it smells like food. That makes no sense. So wait, does it have cars? This one, I don't know. This one smells like ashes, and then this one smells like a lollipop, I guess. So next we got this. What is this actually? It's a Dodge Viper SRT TO ACR. Yeah, so this car is a pretty cool Dodge Charger. It's an older version, which I think it's from 2009. This is a 2009 Dodge Charger. Interesting design. I really love the lime green on the car. The lime green on the car is like pretty shiny and pretty cool. It's also got these interesting gray rims. but maybe it could have some black rims, maybe too. It's also got I don't really like the body shape of the car. It looks a little bit boring to me. It's also got these cool little side mufflers on it, which is pretty cool. It's got those black kind of like veins or like lines that are going this further side of the car, and it kind of reminds me of a Dodge Charger or something. But this car is pretty cool. It's got that curved. It's like curved. Ooh, it's like a curve, like a slide, and smells like a hot dog. Okay. Next we got oh my god. This is a Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. So here it is. Pretty cool Porsche. Wow. Take a look at that. The Porsche, it has a very interesting color. Like, look at how shiny this car is. Like, look, this car literally looks like a penny. I'm serious. Like, you know, like a penny, right? It's like pennies are kind of like, they're made out of copper. So this is like a penny car. So it's also got these like cool little ziggly lines on it. It's got the pretty cool copper color on the rims and the body of the car. It's got I really do love this Porsche design. It's also got a great underbelly and nothing much to say here, but it's pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. Pretty cool. But yeah, we're finished. And I don't know why, but look how oily that is. What is that? I don't get it. Like, every time I open a car, the cars are like so oily. Ugh, I don't know. But let's put all the cars here. I think you already know what's going to happen now. Let's put them all. I don't think we can fit them all. Yes, we can. Yes. Hold on. Yes. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my other channel, Zamir Gaming 101, where I play Roblox and just have a lot of fun. Go check in the link in the description so you can check out that channel. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. And but yeah, bye. Hope you liked the video.